Stop looking for validation from people. No one has to believe in you. No one owes you that. What's going on, people? My name is Andrew SP and welcome to my channel. If you ain't already subscribed, you need to do that ASAP. Remember, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button. It doesn't matter who they are. They could be your mom, your partner, your girlfriend, your boyfriend. It doesn't matter. No one actually has to believe in you or your dreams or whatever ideas you've got. They don't have to. So you need to stop looking for the validation. You need to stop looking for people to say, yes, that's good, I believe in you. If you believe in it and you want to do it, the key here is you're the one that believes in it. You're the one that says it. You're the one that wants to do it. You need to go ahead and handle your business. Go ahead and handle your business, because at the end of the day, no one owes you anything. No one owes you anything. Your mom owes you one thing and one thing alone. They've got to be your mom. That's it. Your siblings, that's all it is. They're your brothers or your sisters. That's all they owe you. No one said they have to believe in anything you've got going on. Nothing. So you need to stop looking for validation. When you go into your relationship with your partner, there was never... No, like, you didn't stop once and discuss the whole, do you know what, whatever I've got going on, you need to believe in it. No, that wasn't part of the plan. Do you mean? So they don't have to. People don't have to. I mean, it helps if they do, don't get me wrong, but they don't have to. Well, that shouldn't stop you. What a lot of people go through life doing is you're looking for validation. You have an idea, but you want to run it past 5-6 people. And when the 5-6 people give you a negative answer, or they say they're not sure, that puts you off. All of a sudden, you don't believe in your idea no more. All of a sudden, you don't believe in your dream no more. But it's different. Like, if you go to someone and they give you their honest opinion as to why, and it's not what you want, that's something else. That's constructive criticism. That's not what we're talking about. We're talking about you go to people and you're looking for that validation. You're looking for them to say, I believe in you. You're looking for them to say, go ahead, I'll support you. When they don't give you that, there's something like, why do you need someone to push you on to do what you want to do? Why do you need someone to tell you they believe in you before you can believe in yourself? You need to believe in you. People will jump on. They will jump on when you give them a reason to believe. That's all it is. You gotta give people a reason to believe in you. If you've got them believing in you to start off, it's great. It's amazing. Take that with you, because you need that. But if they don't, you gotta find a reason, and you gotta give them a reason to believe in you. Whether it's your actions, the way you carry yourself, the way you talk, the way you chase your dream, whatever it is. If you go about things the right way and you go ahead and follow your dream and chase it, people will catch up. That's all you ever need. If you believe in it and you want to do it, there's only one thing you have to do. Never give up. Until next time, keep winning. And remember, hit the subscribe button and the notification button. Hit us up on the socials as well, Real Andrew SP. I repeat, Real Andrew SP on the socials. Let us know your comments, let us know your thoughts, and come along for the ride.